In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your phone on Facebook Marketplace. Open Facebook. Now go ahead and open the Facebook app on your phone. When it loads, you should land on your main feed with posts from friends and pages. At the top or bottom of the screen, you will see a row of icons for Home, Watch, Marketplace, and more. If you use Facebook in a browser, you will see a similar row of icons near the top. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to use to sell your phone, since buyers will contact you through this profile. Tap Marketplace. From your feed, look for the Marketplace icon. It looks like a small storefront. Tap it once. After a moment, the screen changes to the Marketplace home. You should now see a search bar, filters like categories, and lots of local items for sale around you. This is where buyers will browse and where your phone will appear once it is listed. Tap Sell or Create Listing. On the Marketplace screen, find the Sell button or the Create Listing button, usually near the top. Tap that. The app takes you to a new screen just for creating your listing. You will see different listing types and spaces for photos and details that are currently empty. Nothing is visible to others yet. You are just preparing the listing. Select Item for Sale. From the listing type options, tap Item for Sale. Once you choose that, the form updates for regular items, which works well for a phone. You should now see sections for photos, title, price, category, condition, and description. Choosing the correct listing type helps Facebook show your phone to the right local buyers. Upload your phone photos. Tap the photo area to add pictures of your phone. Your gallery opens so you can pick clear photos. Choose shots of the front, back, and sides, and if you can, one photo of the screen turned on. After you confirm, you go back to the listing form and the photos appear in small preview boxes. Buyers usually click on listings with more than one clear photo, so it is worth taking a moment here. Enter the item details. Now fill in the title, such as the phone brand, model, and storage size, so buyers know exactly what it is. Add the price, and remember you can always lower it later if you do not get messages. For category, pick the phones or electronics category so it shows in the right place. Set the condition to match your phone, like new, good, or fair, based on scratches or battery wear. In the description, write a few short lines about features, any damage, what is included like charger or box, and how long you used it. For location, choose your general area or city so nearby buyers see it and know where they would be meeting you. As you fill this in, the preview of your listing becomes more complete on the screen. Tap Publish. Once everything looks correct, find the Publish button and tap it. The app will briefly load. Then you are returned to Marketplace and a small confirmation appears telling you your listing is live. People in your chosen area can now see your phone and message you directly in Facebook. You just created and published a complete Facebook Marketplace listing for your phone, ready for local buyers to find. If this walkthrough helped you get your phone listed, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it too, and feel free to subscribe for more practical how-to guides.